Tell me something. You ever do something yet and wonder if God will top love you because of that? Think about it. Greetings and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we've been doing a series of pastors and church leaders reading one of their favorite passages from the New Testament, of course, the Jamaican New Testament. And I decided that I wanted to come on and do my favorite reading too, or at least one of my favorites, because me have enough. But this is one of my favorite one. So listen up good. And if you like this video, make sure you click the like button. And then of course, I want to hear from you. Either what is your favorite passage, or if you really like this passage to like how me love it. And then, of course, share it with somebody that you think would have liked to hear it too. And you subscribe yet? Well, if you're not subscribed yet, today is the best time. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here so pan YouTube 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Roman them, chapter 8, from verse 28 to verse 39. We know, say, all the people will love God and where God call for take part in our plan. We know, say, God work with them for make sure, say, no matter what, everything work out for them good. Because the people where God pick, even before he made the world, he marked them. He marked them for turn like him boy picnic. So that him boy picnic would have been the first out of all him picnic them. And the people where God mark, him call for being people. And the people where him call, God put things right between him and them. And the people where God put things right with, God will make them more and more like him. So then, what we can say about all of this? If God there with we, who can come against we? God never tap in own a boy picnic from suffer. He give him up and send him for dead for we. Now, if God give up him boy picnic for we, uno not thinking we more than give we everything else. Who can judge the people where God pick and say that they're guilty? A God one can judge people. A God one can put things right between him and people. So then, who can judge the people where God pick and say that they're guilty? Nobody. Nobody can do that. Jesus Christ, where the dead and come back alive and who sit on a God right hand, I talk to God and I beg for we. So then, what can make Christ Jesus top love we? If trouble take we and pain lick we, if we not no food, no clothes, nothing, if we suffer sake of what we believe, if people threaten we, or even if they kill we, uno think say that mean Jesus Christ top love we? It write down in a God word say, cause we belong to you. People try to kill we all the time. Them treat we like sheep where them plan to kill. But no matter what happen or where we go through, Christ Jesus, the one we love we cause with him more than win. Cause me know for sure, say nothing at all can make Christ Jesus top love we. It no matter if we dead or we alive. Him not top love we. No angel, ruler, or power in heaven can tap him from love we. Nothing will happen now, or nothing will go happen. We make him tap love we. Me know for sure. Say nothing where they way up in the sky or where they under the earth can tap him from love we. As a matter of fact, nothing where God make, nothing at all can take with the love we come from God and where Christ Jesus show we. A God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.